I don't recognize today myself.
Yung hand. Wow, organized. Yeah. Tinipak na ni Jack. Umuubo ako guys. Good morning guys. Hoy, wait. Naghihintay sila na. Hoy, wait, hoy. Get a bag. Naghihintay sila sa akin. Nabuksan ko na yung aking sari-sari store. And si Jan, suit niya yung pang working clothes niya. Kasi pupunta naman siya dun sa kanya. Kuya, can you wait? Put it back because you have to ask permission from the owner. Ayan na si Sak, madala na siya. Hoy, excuse me. Excuse me. Hoy, ba't ang gulo? Ba't ang gulo? Hoy, anong hinahanap mo? Where's your money? Okay, what do you want, Holly?
That's gonna fall.
Yeah. Okay. No. Put in the bag, Baba. Put in the bag. You wanna hold it?
You can colour that in.
Yeah, you can color that one.
Colour that one in. Colour.
Yep. And kahapon, hindi sila nakapag-grocery dito. Isa lang yung kinuha nila, KitKat, yung kay Jan. What else do you want? Hoy, put in the bag, Baba. Get also for tonight.
Paper for it.
Huh?
We need to pay for it.
Oh, you have to pay for it. She's giving you.
I'm holding it.
Okay, ang tagal naman nila pumili. Hoy, hala. That's the last one, Kuya. We have a long way. Just get some chocolate. Kasi di ba kinuha nila nung isang araw, yung lollies. What else? Hurry up because I have something to do. Bilisan nyo na, please. Bilis. Okay, isang chips. No, only one. Only one. You have to share with that one. Tipid lang tayo. Okay, Sak, ikaw, ano yung gusto mo dito? Yung gusto niya, ayaw ko na naman ibigay sa kanya. How about Cloud9? Get some Cloud9.
One.
How many you want? Oh, 2 of each. Go. So you have to get 6. No, 2 for Kuya, 2 for you, and 2 for Holly. Diba? Hindi isang pakete, kundi tingi-tingi lang. Okay? Okay, that's it. Anim. One more. Okay? Put in the bag. Huh? You want more one? No. Is that what you want? All? No. No, you have to share. Sharing. He's gonna share the chips to you. Okay, come on. Tapos na. Sarado ng ating sari-sari store. Hanggang gabi na nila yan. Oh, Baba. Ayan. Ginupit na ni Jan yung sa likod ng Fruit Loops. Ayan, linagay niya na. Kasi si Holly, favorite niya ang Fruit Loops. Boys, you gonna clean up outside. We have visitor tomorrow. Baba, why don't you get the color pencils? You have a color pencils, Baba. Huh? You want me to get it for you? Tinasahan ko yung mga coloring pencils. Here, Baba.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell me what color are they?
Purple,
Mm-hmm.
pink, lilac.
Lelo. Ang yellow niya, lelo. Okay. Kain muna siya dyan. And boys, nandun sa labas. Natin si Johnny Boy. Ayan siya. Where are you going, Kuya?
Can I get ruler?
Ruler. And si Holly, andito lang siya sa daddy niya. And ang ginagawa niya dyan, nilalagay niya yung mga, hindi ko alam. What's this for, Han? Cutting? Honey, what's this?
The vice.
Oh, hindi ko alam, guys. Basta yan yan.
Don't touch it.
Oh my God.
It's very sharp.
Alright. And ayan naman,
You're not allowed to touch this.
nagdi-drill siya kasi ilalagay niya din yan dyan, oh. Parang wala na talaga siyang tanggalan, guys. Diyan na siya. Diba? 3 days na siya dito. What?
Just haven't got the right two.
Not the right tools.
No, the right two bolts.
Why you don't have any here?
I'll just get it on there.
Yeah.
I'm not allowed to touch this.
Why? Why are you allowed? Why mommy not a
Right
lot.
way back.
Yeah, this.
The beam's right here. The holes are in the middle. If I put it close, I've got to go all the way through the.
Ah, okay. That makes sense then. Kasi yung sinusunod niya lang kung nasaan yung butas ng kanyang equipment.
You're not allowed to touch.
Alright.
And like, you're not allowed to touch.
Okay. Ano?
You can't right here. If
Can you fix your hair? I told you to tie your hair, so fix it. Or I'll cut it.
don't.
Okay,
I
well.
don't have a bow hair.
That's right.
I don't want it.
Sabi ko kakalbo, pag ginupit ko siya, makakalbo siya. Ayaw niya. Let me see you, Baba. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Maganda yung yung araw today. Kaso medyo malamig lang yung hangin. Pero kung walang hangin, maganda sana. Kasi napaka-blue ng sky. Si Holly, ayaw pang sumam. Okay, come on. We're gonna go cooking, okay?
No, you know what you're making.
Ha?
You know what you're making now.
Let's go, let's cook. Kasi sabi ko mag-film
Making now.
kami sa Chona's kitchen. Come on, Baba. Please, come on. Wait, ako na talagang ano niya. 2 minutes ka na naman. Pinapahintay niya na talaga ako.
2 minutes.
2 minutes ka na naman.
See, this one.
That's 10 minutes. That's a lot.
10 minutes.
Come on, hurry up.
10 minutes, please.
10 minutes daw. And si Zach, hi! What are you doing? Give me that remote. Nagpi-PS4 naman siya. Mag-ayos lang ako. Ayan, ready na ako, guys. Ang tanong, yung partner ko ba sa Chona's Kitchen ay ready na rin? Mayroon silang ginagawa dito sa labas. Ito yung matagal nang gustong buksan ni Sa na regalo sa kanya. Who gave you that gift?
Hey, I mean,
Tito Dan and Tita Reyes.
See how
That was the surprise from Tito Dan.
No, this was our house.
Yeah. Ayan. What do you call this? What do you call that? Air hockey table. Ayan. Ngayon pa lang nila i-assemble. Last year pa to, right, Zach? Last birthday.
No, I was 26.
Yeah. When you were 6. You're 6 now.
Screws with it.
No, just these.
Ayan. Baba, are you ready to film?
Tito Dan used to have this.
Ang 2 minutes mo, 30 minutes ago na eh.
Dan used to have that.
Tito Dan? Who said?
Tito Dan.
Tito, what happened to your eyes?
No, they just
What happened to your eyes? Let me see.
always let me.
Open.
And on a
There's red, Bob. Open. May pula. So, ayan ang ginagawa nila. Yung mga bata lang pala yung nag-a-assemble, hindi si John. Tinatawag niya ako, tingnan ko yung kanyang project doon sa shed. Hirap lagi ako hindi ko alam kung pantay ang kilay ko, guys. Hirap talaga ako lagi. Dito ako natatagalan sa kilay. What are you done here? Ito na yung, okay na, hindi. Nakadikit na siya, guys, ha? What are you doing?
All this. What's in
Ayun yun.
on the thing so it can pack away.
Organized na talaga. Di ba dati ang gulo-gulo dito ngayon?
I know the radio is boring.
It's boring daw dito. What's the hang? JB? Is it JB? The speaker.
Maybe or something.
Speaker basta siya. So, may tinitingnan siya. Tapos, pinakita niya sa akin nung isang araw yata yung kahapon. Para maganda dito ang kanyang sound tripping. Dito na talaga siya. Busy. Si Holly Han. Holly. She don't wanna come to film. Kasi busy siya doon sa mga boys. Yun, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, pag nandito yung mga boys, mas gusto niya makipaglaro kaysa makipaglaro sa akin sa kitchen. Pero pag wala naman, ay, wala. Siya pa yung nauna sa akin o magtatanong siya sa akin na kung magluluto kami sa Chona's kitchen. Pero ngayon,
Mom.
yes? Baba, let's go. Let's cook. Yes, for lunch.
But no, this time, can you put flour?
No, you need to have a flour.
I can't see you.
No, they're not gonna play yet, Holly.
No, when he's finished.
Yeah, but we have to cook first in Chona's kitchen.
I have 2 minutes.
No, 2 minutes. It's been 30 minutes already. You're right, Kuya. Si Kuya. Sak, why you're not helping your Kuya?
I'm so neck.
Why? What happened to your neck?
I turn my neck.
Why?
Oh, we're doing this?
That's right. That's why I don't like that one. So, stop it. Kasi nag-ano siya, nag-headstand siya. So, stop it, okay? I told you many times.
I have so neck.
Yeah, whatever. Copycat ka talaga. Lutuan ko muna sila ng lunch. Meron akong minarinate na chicken kagabi.
Chicken popcorn.
Paborito nila yan. Lagi nilang request ang chicken popcorn. So, minarinate ko to kagabi. Ayan, nandito siya. Nakamarinate siya. Chicken breast. So, magluto muna akong kanin kasi wala ng kanin. Konti na lang. Magluto muna ako. And sana, pagkatapos nila mag-lunch si Holly, sumama na sa akin dito sa kitchen. Ito pala yung outfit ko ngayon sa Chona's kitchen, guys. Hindi ko muna suot ko na to, pero okay lang naman. So, ayan. Tapos, nakaipit ulit ako. Kasi nga, mayroon akong maliit na yung bangs ko ba dati. So, para hindi siya sa aking mata nakasagabal. So, yan ang outfit ko. So, color-kings lang naman ako. Tapos, t-shirts. Kasi ito lang naman ang makikita. So, mag-ready na ako ng lunch.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all.
Nutulungan na pala ni Jan si Kuya mag-assemble doon kasi hindi niya matapos-tapos. And kailangan niya ng batteries. How many batteries?
8.
8. So, nandito yung aking mga batteries. No, you just have 2. Dito.
I'm gonna get some.
What, Sam? Why?
You get the other 4.
4. Get another 4. Okay. How's your neck? It's getting better? Tingnan nyo yung mata niya mapula. Not really?
Mom, but we have to cook.
Yeah.
Because she just wants to play the hockey table.
It's alright. Later.
Can she
will...
cook?
Yeah, but not na because I'm gonna cook your popcorn chicken. Hindi pa ako nakapagluto. Pero naisalang ko na yung kanin. Tinawag ako ni Kuya. Tapos na nilang i-assemble. Ayan na. Oh.
There's a line there.
What's that noise?
Air hockey.
What's that noise?
Stand, put the
Dad,
air.
put it on.
What for?
So that,
We're both playing.
Why do you need that?
well, how's it going to slide?
Ah!
Dad,
What are you
that's
doing?
turn. That's turn.
Narinig guys, may ano siya, may hangin.
Yes.
Yung mga butas,
Go
may
now.
may hangin na lumalabas. Oh, tingnan nyo. Wait, Kuya. Wait. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ayan oh, wait. Ayan oh, nagmumuka siguro. Say thanks Tito Dan, Sak, and Tita Reyes.
Thank you.
After 1 year, ngayon lang nila nabuksan. O, diba, mayroon silang bagong pagkakabisihan. Matibay din siya, oh. Matangkad. Uh-oh.
That's a 3. That's mainly
You don't need
Rissa.
that.
Mainly Rissa.
You're not tall, Sak.
Don't go over the line. What line?
The blue one.
This one.
And the blue? Right?
Go past it.
Ayan, much better. Nilagyan niya ng papel kasi medyo nagwi-wiggle. What do you want for dinner?
Hey.
Andito si John. Mayroon siyang mga package na nakuha sa post office. Ayan. Binubuksan niya na yung sa kanya. Yung sa akin nandun. Sabi ko, wag niyang ipasok nandun sa my bench. So, ipatry ko na kay Zach kasi kanina pa siya pabalik-balik. Yeah, it's hot. Hoy, ay! Wait! Just a bite!
Good.
Wait. Is it crunchy?
It may taste.
No, let Kuya.
This is Rissa's one.
It's still hot. Crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
I-try ko din siya. Parang hindi siya popcorn chicken. Parang siyang nuggets kasi malalaki yung hiwa ko. Ito guys. Mainit pa. Ah. Umuusok pa ang lasa niya. Juicy and crunchy siya guys. Ah. Okay, come on. Kuya gusto niyo. Hurry up. It's hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot, hot. Luto na yung, sabi ko, diba, popcorn chicken. Pero parang, siya, nuggets. So, pakainin ko na yung mga bata. Boys, you ready?
Yes.
Wait, I'll get your rice first. Call Holly now, please. Nasa labas si Holly, nandun kay John. Maliit lang na plato yung ipapagamit ko sa kanila kasi konti lang naman to. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Crunchy siya guys. Did you call Holly, kuya?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, it's ready.
Thank you.
Want ketchup?
What is this nuggets?
Yeah, it's nuggets because it's a big... What do you want, Zach?
Ketchup.
What, Filipino one or Australian? Huh? Filipino. Ito yung UFC. Asan na si Holly?
Wait, Mom, can you... Lunch is ready.
Come on, Baba, or we're gonna eat all this. Si Kuya barbecue sauce yung gusto niya. Okay, wash your hands,
I have
please.
my boots on.
Huh?
I have my boots on.
Okay, wash your hands now. Hurry up.
I need my boots.
It's alright. You can wear that one. So, kain muna sila ng lunch. Do you need a spoon?
It's alright.
It's alright.
I don't
Filipinos.
need it's alright.
Alright. Did you wash your hands
Yeah.
properly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom.
Say lunchtime, guys. Yes, like in the... So that... Yes, that's right.
I don't see.
Kain din ako. Meron pa dito. Ito yung bahaw kung sa Bicol. Leftover. Yes?
I hate the McDonald's.
Chicken nuggets. Why?
Because it smells like gross and it tastes good.
So you like this better? Ayaw talaga nila sa McDonald's. How about Philippines?
I like it with the rice in it. But I like the chicken there too.
Yeah, and the Jollibee one.
And barley.
And Bali.
Barley has the rice ones.
Ha?
Barley has the rice ones.
Yep. Ano sabi mo, Sak? Ano?
I want more nuggets. I thought I was using like 100 nuggets.
100 nuggets? Oh, ito yung akin. O, sa'yo na. Kunti na lang kasi. Si Holly, ang madami pang nuggets. O, kasi ang bagal kumain. Si Kuya wala ng rice.
Mom, I have nuggets.
No, you got a lot there. You're plenty. You have plenty. Oh, si Kuya kumukuha ng rice. Go, Kuya. Is it really, really good, Zach? Kuya? Holly? Simot sarap si Sak. Tapos na si Sak. Gusto niya pa kaso wala ng nuggets.
Mom.
Yeah.
Is it mine? Can I have it?
No. Kinuha mo na nga yung kay Holly. Yan, kay Holly, yan natira na nuggets. Eto, meron akong dalawa dito. Ipatikim ko kay Johnny Boy. Nandun na naman siya sa kanyang shed. Saan pa ba? Ay, patikim natin to. Han, try these nuggets. Saki loves this. Better than McDonald's.
What are those?
Chicken nuggets. Yeah. How is it?
Oh, they're awful.
Good. It's
Wrong.
so, ito na naman yung inaayos niya yung nandito. What's that?
Sticky stuff.
See you. So, maglinis na ulit ako dito. Ano si Kuya? Aren't you done, Kuya? Ikaw na talaga ang king of rice. Andun yung dalawa, naglalaro na ng hockey. Kuya, close the door, please. Tapos na ako maghugas. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay i-prepare ko na yung mga gagamitin ko para sa pagluluto ko sa Chona's Kitchen. Ito, alisin ko ulit to sa oven kasi kailangan ko yung oven. So, mag-prepare lang muna ako dito.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Alis si Jen, guys. Alis siya. Punta siya sa kanyang chiropractor kasi masakit. Which one is pain again, Han? Neck? Back?
Nothing really.
Hey, Dad.
So, why are you gonna go to chiropractor?
Well, I'm Joe to go there.
Due date niya kasi halos, is it every month, Han? Every month or every
5 weeks, I guess.
every 5 weeks? But sometimes if you
If I don't go, then something happens. So I'll just go and get it all done.
But sometimes you go more than that one, right?
If I'm...
Pag may masakit sa kanya, pumupunta siya. Pero due kasi siya ngayon eh. So parang naka-schedule siya talaga lagi doon. So ako, ayan. And yung mga bata, andun na sila, oh. Si Holly, pupunta na yan dito sa akin. Kanina nandito na siya, naglalaro na siya kanina eh. So tapusin ko lang ito. Sak, Daddy's calling you!
Yeah, what?
I don't know.
Did you put your...
Ito yung package na, yung ano ba? Nakuha ni Jan sa mail.
You put it on your bag and you can pull it out.
What's that for, Han?
That one's the wire one. Don't stick your fingers in there because it hurts. That one's the
don't know
brush.
what's
That's the wire. Don't.
What's that for, honey?
Take that off to clean in your grooves.
Wala, that's sharp, honey. Let me see. Panglinis sa kanyang golf sticks. Oh, just be careful, ha?
We'll clean this up tomorrow.
Yeah, tig-isa sila.
Oh yeah.
What color is yours, kuya?
Can't see.
Red. Ah.
I just.
Yours, blue. Sak, that's very sharp. So, tig-isa sila.
leave that on.
How about you, Baba?
I have one.
You have one.
I have one. Thing.
Well, you will when you get bigger, darling.
I have one. Mom, I'll
That's
put
to
the
do that, so you can wash it and then just
Ah.
don't wreck it because it will break. It'll
That's
eventually
right.
break.
Okay, see you, Han.
Just clip it on.
So stop, you're gonna. Oh, I'm gonna.
See ya.
See ya.
See you, honey.
See Zach.
See
See Holly.
See you, Baba.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Lagi mo.
What's this one? That
See
was
ya.
this one.
That's when it's.
Lagi yung joke pag-aalis siya na kunwari hindi niya ako halik. Ah,
Hello.
it's alright. Oh. Gusto niya naka-headband siya. Okay. Tapusin ko na to.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everybody.
Whatever. I'm just sitting there for now. You.
Kasi hindi pa kami...
Open your box. I'm bringing the crayfish in and the shark.
Okay. Kasi hindi pa kami tapos ni Holly mag-film. Nandito na siya. Sabi ko, huwag ka munang papasok kasi tapusin muna namin ni Holly yung pag-film. Pero hindi pa rin kami tapos kasi kalalagay lang namin ng binibake pa lang namin yung apple crumble. So, anong oras na? 7 na pala? 7:30 na. So, hugasan ko lang to kasi si Jan, kukunin niya yung pinasok na nila yung hockey. Just be careful. Put it in baby's room for now, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna play it.
And then later, you're gonna come back here. We're gonna close our vlog, okay, Holly? And we're gonna try, okay? We're gonna try, yes. We're gonna try. Yes, we're gonna try, yep. And si Jan, gawan ko raw siya dito ng space kasi ilalabas niya yung crayfish tsaka yung shark kasi nga bukas, di ba? Good Friday bukas. And dito yung kapatid tsaka sila mom, and then dito sila magsi-celebrate sa amin. So, linisin ko lang muna dito. Hindi ko pa natatapos yung ginagawa ko doon. Andito na siya. So, dito na lang muna. Yeah, that will be enough. Just wait. I'm gonna make what tomorrow?
Just standard.
So you don't want the creamy one? You said you want me to make the
Oh,
creamy.
just a little bit of that, yeah, and then just have the rest on a plate, just to table over like 1,000 islands, that's all.
Alright, okay. And the shark. Why too many shark?
I've got to give some to Emma.
Emma?
Yeah.
Well, why you gonna remove it from the freezer?
She's going to eat it too tomorrow. I was meant to take it up when I went to Mount, I forgot.
Oh, so they're not gonna come here.
Listen, Jason, Mum and Dad are.
And Emma is not coming. Ah, okay. So they're just gonna get this for tomorrow.
Oh, just fold that one there, we know.
Alright.
That'll be
Okay.
enough for us.
Yep. Dito na sila. Gumawa ako ng cream. Here. You can lick this one. Here. Okay, and hurry up.
What is it?
Cream.
No, what is it? Bean.
I whipped the cream.
Whipped cream.
The thickened cream. This one. Oh, hurry up.
Apple crumble?
Yes, that
That's
one.
what I was gonna.
No,
I was
that
gonna
one.
ask if you can get some whipped
That one. Yeah, that
I was
one.
gonna ask if you can get some whipped cream.
Hurry up, naligo na sila guys. And kami ni Holly, eto na yung ating apple crumble. Ayan, so magpa-final na kami dun sa Chona's Kitchen. Magpa-final, magko-close ng vlog.
This is the final cooker.
Yeah, no, it's not. For tonight, yes. Okay, hurry up. Finish it. Come on. Yung ilaw ka dyan. Sak, look at your mess.
Mine is.
Okay, hurry up, Baba, so we can close the vlog in Chona's Kitchen. Hindi na siya makapag...
I'm going to have...
Wow. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Sabi ko, ito yung kanya. Nagfi-film lang ako. Pero ayan guys, paubos na. Makakalahati na yung dessert para bukas. Tingnan mo yung sa kanya. Di ba? Nasugatan na naman siya. Meron naman siyang sugat.
Put that back. Put that back.
Put it in the freezer, Nahan.
Beautiful, babe.
I know, look.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very good. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ayan na lang, guys. And eto yung akin, guys. Masarap siyang i-serve na mayroong thickened cream or whipped cream with vanilla ice cream na mainit-init pa yung apple crumble. And alam nyo ba, yung dessert ko para bukas sa mga bisita, ayan na lang, guys. Diba? Halos makalahati. Mag-close na ako ng vlog, guys, kasi maglilinis lang naman ako ng mga kalat ko dyan, yung pinagkainan nila ng dessert. Okay, come on, let's close the vlog. Come on. Holly, let's close the vlog, baby. Come on.
Mommy,
Okay, guys.
don't cut this.
Okay, come on, let's...
I accident.
Okay, come on, let's close the vlog, Zach. Come on. Okay? Kuya. Okay, guys, we're gonna close our vlog. Thank you.
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Till our next vlog.
Good night, Daddy. Good night.
Nice.
Good night. How's the dessert?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Someone told us.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause